Hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Many students are giving online assessment of GoldMan Sachs, and they are also giving the hackathon round of GoldMan Sachs. Okay, first round, second round, third round. So recently we have the images of many such questions asked. I will give the link to all the images and all the questions of Goldman Sachs of April May 2025, which have been recently asked. Okay, and we are going to solve most of them, or let's say all of them, so you can learn from these solutions and you can apply this knowledge in your upcoming online assessments of top tech companies and mainly Goldman Sachs. Okay, so Goldman Sachs always likes the problems on arrays, sortings, greedy algorithms and things like that. So with the name of God, Ram Ram, we start the procedure. Hello guys, I'm Kumar K. Previously, I worked as SD at Amazon and Media.net. Also, I have All India Rank 12 in Google Code Jam 2021. You can check out my LinkedIn profile given here. If you are interested in our 850-hour DSA plus OA plus EP live training plus recorded course plus referral cohort, you can check out this link. There are many more features. Those things you can check out in the link. So now let's go through the Goldman Sachs online assessment. So guys, always know that whenever you're trying to tackle an online assessment problem, the first thing which you need to improve is your English comprehension skills. Okay, you need to improve your English comprehension because generally the questions asked in online assessment are not straightforward in nature. They are not straightforward. They are generally large paragraphs, stories made, and you have to understand that story and you have to summarize that story for yourself in 1 to 2 lines. Once you have summarized that story in 1 to 2 lines, this will be a totally new DSA question which you have never solved before. So now you have to solve it. You have to solve a totally new question given to you. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it. So let's start the procedure. This was the problem, right? Like if I try to open the link, this document will be available to you. Don't worry, the C++, Java, Python implementations are also available. After you understand the solution, you can check it out. Okay, so dancing penguins. Okay, so in the icy realm of Antarctica, there is an annual gathering of penguins to celebrate the onset of winter. Okay, there are n male penguins and n female penguins. Okay, attending the grand dance party this year. Okay, in choosing their dance partners, partner is always from the opposite gender. Obviously, penguins give the utmost importance to their partner's height. Some penguins will only dance with a partner who is taller, while the other penguins will only dance with a partner who is shorter. No penguin will dance with a partner who is of the same height as themselves. To indicate this preference, the height of a penguin is mentioned as the positive value if the penguin wishes to have a partner who is taller than themselves, and alternatively. So, guys, you can read this full question. You can see that n is given to us as less than equal to 10 raised to 5, and the absolute value of penguins are from 1500 to 2500. Seems like the test was taken on HackerRank platform. Really a nice platform. It even detects the code plagiarism very easily, so that only the honest candidates can reach the final round. So how do we solve this problem? So guys, they are like, if I try to explain you the meaning of the problem. So before we go towards the meaning of the problem, please know your English comprehension skills should be good. Once you understand the problem, you should have the skills to solve the hard unseen DSA problem given to you. Generally, students only do popular DSA sheets like Love Bubber, Striver, or they do standard popular DSA problems on LeetCode GFG. Then you are going to fail to solve this question because it is a new question. So you need to develop the nerves and the critical problem solving skills and critical thinking skills for hard and new problems. So you need to practice lots of OA and CB problems for that. Or you can come to my 850-hour DSA plus OA plus CP training for that, and you will become very strong. I can guarantee you that. Now, how do we solve this problem? How do we approach it? The thing is that they are saying that a male array is given to you and a female array is given to you, okay? Always start everything with the name of God, Ram Ram. God is always with you. If you have God on your side, you don't need to worry about anything else in this planet. So, guys, the male array which is given to you is in this question. If you try to check out, it is minus 1800 minus 2200. I will try to explain you the meaning later on. Minus 1800 minus 2200. And the female array given to you is 1900 1800. So, guys, you have to make the pairs. You have to make the bonding of male with the female. Okay. So, this is your male array, this is your female array. What is the meaning of minus? Minus means it wants to marry a girl who is l- who is less than this guy in the height. Okay, so I will represent it as there is a male with height 1800 who wants a female of height less than 1800. That is the meaning of minus 1800. Minus sign meaning is that it wants a girl with the height less than 1800. Minus 2200 means there is one more male. This male wants a girl with a height less than 2200. That's what the Goldman Sachs is saying. Females preferences means what if the negative sign is not there, if there is a positive sign, it means that this girl wants a guy with a height greater than 1900. So in the female array, this means that this girl wants a guy whose height is higher than 1900, and this girl wants a guy whose height is higher than 1800. So, guys, how many relationships you can make? They are telling you that greedily make the maximum relationships possible. So, guys, how can we start thinking about it? Rather than jumping to the solution, how can we develop the intuition to solve it? You can use some common sense, right? Let's say you start making the relationship of the largest guy here. Largest guy is 2200 comma less. This guy wants a girl whose height is less than 2200. Is there any girl whose height is less than 2200? Yes. This 2200 guy can bond with this girl. There are two options. This 2200 guy can bond with this girl also. And this 2200 guy can bond with this girl also. Why is it good? Because 2200 guy wants any girl whose value is less than 2200. So if 2200 guy bonds with this girl, why it is valid? 2200 said 2200 guy got satisfied, and this girl wanted a guy greater than 1900. So this also got satisfied. It is a two-sided relationship. Hope you understood. Okay, two-sided. So you can make one relationship. One relationship you can make. That relationship is the guy who wanted 2200 less bonds with a girl who wanted a guy with 1900 or more. Both are satisfying each other. That's what we call as a healthy relationship. Now this guy is left and this guy is left. Guys, can any relationship happen? No. The guy wants a girl whose value is less than 1800. But she is not less than, she is exactly 1800. And the girl wants a guy whose value is greater than 1800. But this guy, leftover guy, is not greater than 1800. So relationship cannot be formed. This relationship cannot be formed. So guys, only one relationship you can make. That's why the output is 1. That's why the output is 1. You can see the output is 1 here. Okay. Now I will try to explain you that even if 2200 guy tried with other girl, then also the answer would be 1. That's why only one maximum relationship is possible. You can say na that, sir, what if 2200 guy tried to make a relationship with this girl? Well, well. Now, listen to me carefully. Yes, one relationship can be made, right? Our guy wanted a girl whose value is less than 2200 and he got that girl. and the girl wanted a guy greater than 1800. The girl got that guy. But now this relationship is not possible. Why? Guy wants a girl less than 1800. She is not less than 1800, hence not possible. And this girl wants a guy greater than 1900. This guy is not greater than 1900. Both the relationships are failed. Like both. This way also failing, this way is also failing. So this relationship cannot be formed. So only one relationship. So guys, you can see no matter which way you try, you can make maximum only one relationship in this case. That's why one is the answer. Now, what is the intuition? Let's say you are given a male array and you are given a female array. This is a male array and this is a female array. So guys, only two type of values are possible, right? Let's say the values P1. Let's break the male array in two sets, P1 set and P2 set. Okay. P1 values are negative values. Okay. P1 values are, let's say, positive values. Like P2 values are negative values. Like this means that these males, see P1, P2 both are males, but their requirement is different. These are also males, these are also males, but the P2 males want girls who are lesser than them. Lesser. They want lesser girls. They want lesser girls. So let's try to make a female array also. P1 female array, the positive female array. These girls want the guys who are bigger than them. And then the P2 female array. These girl wants the guys who are less than them. Now, P1 and P2 both is clear, right? Done, 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 done. Now, guys, the main observation which most people should do, or the observation which most people forgot to do, is that P2 can only bond with P1. First of all, you know that there will be vertical bonding. Only males can bond with female and female can bond with male. Two males cannot bond with each other. Gay relationship, lesbian relationship is not allowed. So I am saying that P2 males can try to bond with P1 females. P2 males can try to bond with P1 females. Now you might be asking, sir, why is this correct? I am saying that these P2 males can try to have a relationship with P1 females. Why? Because P2 males want lesser girls. They want the girls who are less than 20. And these females want higher boys. So lesser girls, higher boys can make a relationship. So this is the first observation, that P2 males can build relationship with P1 females. Only this way it's possible. So I'm writing it here. I got really nice signs sometime before, right? So guys, what I'm trying to say is that P2 male can bond with P1F. This is the only way possible. Why? Guys, why P2M can bond with P1F? This greedy analysis you need to do, okay? Think about it for 1 minute. Like, why there is no rush. You can just relax in our session. Just try to think that why our P2M is able to bond with P1F. So, what's the secret and how is this thing working? Let's think about that. P2M can bond with P1F. These P2 are males, the P1 are females. P2 males means these guys wants the girls who are less than them. P1 female means these are the girls who want the bigger boys. P2M means guys who want small girls. Who want small girls. P1F means girls who want big boys. Only these two people can bond with each other. It is a common sense. Okay. Now you might be thinking, sir, is it possible to have a other type of relationship? Like which one? Is it possible that P2M bonds with the P2F? It is never possible. It is never possible. Why it is never possible? These are the guys who want these are the guys who want girls smaller than them. And these are the girls who want guys smaller than them. So even a single relationship is not possible between P2F and P2M. Why? For example, here P2M, let's say minus 20. Minus 20 means what? Give me a girl. Give me a girl whose value whose absolute value is less than 20. Minus sign you can ignore. Our absolute value is 20. Give me a girl whose value is less than 20. You might say, sir, this is P2F. Sir, this is a minus 10. If I only take the absolute value 10. Sir, this 10 is a girl whose value is strictly less than 20, sir. So can I make the P2F relation with P2M? Okay, let's say you satisfied the urge of the guy. Guy wanted a girl. P2M 20 in P2M, let's pick up this male of 20. He wanted a girl whose value is less than 20. So you went to P2F, you got a girl 10. Yes, her value is less than 20. Good. But what about the girl's requirement? P2F means what? This girl wants a guy whose value is strictly less than 10. If 10 bonds with 20, 20 is satisfied. 20 wanted a girl less than 10, but 10 wants a boy less than 10. And 10 is bonding with 20, so girl is not satisfied. There needs to be both way relationship. This guy should also be satisfied and this girl. Both are not satisfied because both want less than current value. So P2M can never bond with P2F. So you should know that P2 males can only bond with P1 females. P2 males can bond only with P1 females. Similarly, P1 males can bond with only P2 females. Why? Because here the females want the guys, the female want smaller guys. And here the male want bigger girls. So this, if let's say 21 wants smaller guy. Let's say it hits on this 5. Yes, 21 got satisfied, wanted a smaller guy. And 5 wants what? 5 wants a bigger girl. So 5 is also getting satisfied with 21. Both way relationship is there. So cross relationships are always good. P1F will bond with P2M and P1M will bond with P2F. Okay? Okay, sir. So now, similarly, P2F can bond with P1M. Now, how to do the bonding? Run two pointer greedy algorithm. Run two pointer greedy algorithm to find the maximum bonding possible. So guys, let's say it is fixed that this can be bonded with that only and all that. So P2M can be bonded. So what I will do, I will take the M array, all the positive numbers I will put in the P1M vector, in the P1M set or list or vector, and all the negative males I will put their absolute value in P2M. Then F also I will divide in two parts. All the positive values here and all the negative values here. And I will sort all the four arrays. I will get four arrays, right? One positive of M, negative of M, positive of F, negative of F. Sort all four of them. Now let's apply the algorithm for P2M and P1F. P2M and P1F. We need to apply the algorithm of P2F, P2M and P1F. Okay. Now this algorithm will always work. See, P2M, P1F. Now, how will you make the bondings? P1F is 5, 10, 15. And this is -5, -10, -15, -25. So, guys, ignore the minus signs. This is, let's say, your array A. This is your array B. What do you want? You want the pairs AI, comma BJ such that AI is strictly greater than BJ. So, what you will do? Let's take this first value. This is a standard greedy algorithm. If you have done the two pointer course, I have intuitively explained why certain greedy algorithms work at certain places. Okay. So if you are not the part of the cohort, make sure you join it. And also it is in the prerequisite course, which is freely available to anyone on the internet. Please check it out. Please make your DSA as strong as possible. As strong as possible. Okay. So this phi is, let's say this is my I pointer. Let's take it as my J pointer, and let's take this as my I pointer. Okay. Always respect your mother and father. Now let's go back to the question. So this is my J pointer. Guys, is this phi greater than phi? Can I make a relationship? No, not possible. So you have only one option. This phi is not able to make relationship with this phi. You started with the smallest value of both the arrays. With this phi, only that guy can make a relationship which is bigger than phi. You know na, this is P2M. These guys want smaller girls and these guys want bigger guys. So it was not possible. So now your J pointer will move one step ahead. Now your J will come here. -10. Your I is still here only. Okay. Can this 10 make a relationship with this? Yes. 10 wanted a girl whose value is less than 10. Yes, satisfied. This way relationship satisfied. 5 wanted a boy with the value greater than 5. This way relationship also satisfied. Yes. So you can increase your count. C plus plus C equal to 1. One relationship found. 5 comma -10. One valid relationship found. Now what you will do? Your J pointer will now become 15. And your I pointer will now become 10. Is 15 greater than 10? Yes. So -15 comma 10, second relationship found. Now J pointer here 25 and here 15. Is 15 greater than 25? Yes, both were relationship satisfied. Same happened for 15 to 10. Both were relationship satisfied. So another valid pair is -25 comma 15. Three pairs. C equal to 3. Three pairs you found for. So guys, what you will do, you will run this greedy algorithm for P2M and P1F. Then you will run this greedy algorithm for P2F and P1M, and the sum of both of them will be the answer. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay. So I will attach the link to the prerequisite course. This is a 50-hour course which makes you, the specialty of this DSA warm-up course is that it is not just a random course in the market. No, 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 no. It teaches you how to intuitively think for any kind of DSA problem, be it a standard DSA problem or a new DSA problem. What are the core concepts which are used in 80% plus of the cases? If you do this, trust me, you will become very, very strong. your core intuitive ability will become so strong you cannot even imagine. Okay, so like I'm giving the prerequisite course here. Warm up DSA course to build strong intuition for all types of DSA plus OA plus CP problems. Also, guys, if you are interested in getting the regular videos from me, you can comment. Make sure you like and subscribe, obviously, but make sure you comment and tell me which company online assessment solutions you want or what else you want from me. The topics, the stuff. I will teach you whatever you want. Love you all. Ram Ram.